2025 Audi RS Q8 Performance. This SUV is as practical as it is thrilling, blending everyday usability with jaw-dropping performance. Under the hood lies a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 engine, the most powerful internal combustion engine ever in an RS vehicle, churning out an exhilarating 631 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Paired with ceramic brakes featuring red calipers and an RS Sport exhaust system, every drive is a symphony of power and precision. The adaptive air suspension system, with its controlled ride height and taut tuning, ensures a ride that's as smooth as it is dynamic. Inside, the Audi RS Q8 Performance is a tech lover's dream. The Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus transforms the 12.3-inch HD display into your command center, offering customizable viewing modes like RS Performance and RS Sport to keep essential information right in your line of sight. The cabin is adorned with sleek, motorsport-inspired carbon twill matte inlays, while the optional carbon package adds a touch of noir to the exterior with matte carbon fiber accents, anthracite gray Audi rings, But this SUV isn't just about looks and power. It's packed with smart features to keep you connected and secure. Audi Connect Care offers remote vehicle services and security features, while the top view camera system with virtual 360-degree view and adaptive cruise assist with lane guidance make every drive safer and more intuitive. The RS Q8 Performance isn't just an SUV. It's a statement, a thrill, and a testament to what happens when luxury meets performance. Is the crown jewel of Audi's SUV lineup, a powerhouse wrapped in luxury and infused with the legendary DNA of the RS brand. Starting at $136,200. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.